So I know it's been a while, but I've been really busy doing a lot of R&D with Al when it comes to getting out new products to our Etsy store. I can assure you that the build videos and tool reviews are coming, but today I wanted to share with you a teaser video that my friend Casey Reeves did for us over at Creeves Makes. He's announcing our line of accessories for the Kreg ACS. I debated posting this, but he did a really nice job, so I'm gonna share it. Enjoy. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that teaser video. To make it worth your while, I'll give you a little mini shop tour. If you'd like to see a more in-depth shop tour, go ahead and leave your comment down below. But this is basically my setup for the most part. I've got two MFTs. I don't have an ACS. Mini MFT and Mega MFT. The mini version resides over there usually. When I want to break down sheet goods, I'll set up my track tubes and my speed horses, which if you're tall, those are well worth the investment. And the track tubes are nice. I like using those quite a bit. Glenn and Fred were kind enough to send me those, so you'll see those in some upcoming videos as well. Mini MFT, I usually keep clamps, got the MultiRackMini, Elements rack, just stuff that I like to use. Mega MFT usually is for measuring, laying out, whatnot. Yes, my shop is rather clean, asthma and allergies. I really like my setup. It works well for me. Go from having no Festool to all of that. I like to keep my Festool tools out so I can just grab them. So in the sustainers, there's a lot of other stuff. But the only thing I have in a box is my Carvex. And I like using that. I know it's not, it's the black sheep of the Festool lineup, I guess. My ETS EC 150 has got a 5mm stroke. My RO90, my TID. I've got two of these T18s. I really like those. CT48 with the WCR. Again, really like that. Two-stage dust collector, I built that I don't know how many years ago. TS75, interesting story, got that off Facebook Marketplace for a really good deal. Yeah, I'll just leave it at that for right now. You see my shop, you see how I work, or where I work. But if you'd like to see more in depth, like I said, leave your comment down below. And I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, take care and have a good one.